For a long trip, I have made my way from chilly Boston to Costa Rica, just in time to meet my family for Thanksgiving. And I'm excited to take a break from my usual life of tight budget travel and spend a week at a beautiful resort. Today I'm going to take another shot at learning how to surf. Today we are joining a tour that's going to take us kayaking down this river here. And we have kayaked our way down to the ocean. We had an amazing stay here at this awesome resort, but staying in fancy resorts isn't really my style, so now I'm off to take my parents on an adventure. You ready?